Normally I wouldn't add something like this to the beginning of the video, but make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I did not expect this video to turn into what happened. So this is supposed to be a rust prevention video, but yeah, just stick around to the end. It's worth it, I promise. Welcome to today's video. I'm finally going to be making the rear of the Speed rust proof. It should work. Luckily I got a car wash yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, so wheel wells should be clean, shouldn't be too dirty. I didn't drive it that much yesterday. And yeah, that's the plan. But before we do that, I want to show off the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't know, you guys may have already seen this, but the camera on it's insane. And for car guys, it's like a car guy's dream camera. So let me just take you back in the back and show you real quick. Alright, so we got 370, and we got this sick new iPhone. I gotta unlock it real quick. So, camera, right? By the way, hold on, I'll talk about that in a minute. So here's like the normal iPhone camera, right? Here's a little wider, and then, that's DoorDash. And then, bam! Ultra wide, look at that. It's literally like a GoPro. So, yeah, sorry, I just want to show that off real quick. I'm just kind of a tech guy, low key. Okay, first things first, gotta grab some undercoating. It's basically like Flex Seal, yes, but meant for cars. So got that, need the jack, need the wheel key, which I don't know where that is. Okay, got my sockets, got my impact, and this is what I'm trying to prevent, is this. So it's actually, you know, it's kind of bad on my Speed right now, but there's a lot worse ones out there. This isn't horrible yet. I'm obviously gonna get this fixed at some point, but once I take the wheel off, I'll show down here is where they get rust too, so we're gonna get all that coated. And yeah, I just want to stop the rust for now so it doesn't get worse until I can get it fixed. So let's pull this wheel off, see how bad it is, and then start spraying. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. The rust down here, and actually this really isn't that bad, to be honest. The only thing that's bad is up here, so I'm gonna go get some masking tape, tape all this off, and then try and get a nice clean line. And then yeah, we're gonna spray all of this too. Should be pretty satisfying, to be honest. Might coat an arm or two, just some of the junk down here, but let's go get some tape. By the way, this is something that I've been talking about doing for the longest time. Along with the exhaust, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Still on a shelf right there. Haven't got to it. I'll get to it once I take care of other important things, but anyway, I'm gonna find tape. Well, hopefully this is enough tape. It's all I could find. Okay, got it taped. I kind of went around some of these major parts so I can spray. So you might see this from the outside a little bit, but that's okay, because it's gonna cover up this rust. And yeah, I think I'm gonna spray the outside first, because I'm sure there might be some overspray. Hopefully it doesn't get on the paint, and then we'll start spraying in here. So, wish me luck on this one. Okay, so I just did the edge first, and you can kind of see how it sprays. It's like a really, I sprayed a little bit there just to get it out the nozzle, and it sprays like a really nice thick undercoating. So I got this pretty good. I'm gonna squirt a little more in there. And here comes the train, so I'm gonna shut this off. Ah! Okay, this stuff's a little bit messy, but I'm pretty much done with this side. It looks really, really good, as you can tell. It's all black now. It's still gotta dry. I got up here really, really well. There you go. There's what it looks like. This stuff sprays out really nice. You can't really use the can again twice though, so gonna make sure I get everywhere that I want to get. And yeah, it should be good for now. So this side is done. I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and I think I'm gonna go rip it a little bit after I get all this done. But this looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Everything's a nice, clean, fresh coat of black undercoating. Get this wheel on, head to the other side, same thing, and then I'll show you that and we'll go rip. Okay, side number 2 done. Looks really good. Did spray a little bit on the paint, but luckily it just like pops off, or you can just peel it off. Oop, need to spray down there a little more, and then wheels going back on, and we're gonna go rage this thing because it's a nice Sunday again. hit these things with a torque real quick. And then check the oil, very important, and then go rage. And welcome to Oil Checks with Austin. Let's see what the Speed's got. I need to do an oil change on it too. So, oil's looking a little dirty. I'm gonna do an oil change this week as well, so expect a video on that, and I have some other maintenance stuff I'm gonna do. And looks like we're a little low, right below half, so let's go get some oil. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's moving around on me. Check that out. Oil's all good to go. Let's go hit some roads. I'm just gonna throw a GoPro on me, I guess, and we'll go drive around. Also, check this out. Fresh new Tomei in here. I got one of the smallest ones they make, and it just looks super cool. It actually smells like paint in here. Anyway, I got a GoPro. I'm not sure what roads I'm gonna hit today. I'm not sure how hard I want to go either, because I want to get some of the maintenance done this week. But either way, GoPro. Let's go drive around for a little bit and have some fun. So we're just going to the same road I went to last time. I'm saving the really good road for when the trees start to turn, which they're getting close, because I think it's gonna be a really cool video with all different colored trees, like orange and red and stuff like that. So the really good road video will be coming soon. Plus there's some more things I want to do this before I go do that. But anyway, yeah, let's go hit the same road. And apparently if you continue on, there's even more to this road, which I didn't even know about, so we'll go check that out too. But let's go. No cones, let's go. So bumpy. Okay, we're done. Let's see if we still have an oil pan after that. Okay. We're really lucky. God, we're going home. We're going home. Alright, I should have known better than to go down a road I've never been on before. Just hauling like that. I didn't think it was gonna be that bumpy. Let's go see how it looks underneath. We made it back. Single-handedly the hardest I've ever bottomed out in any car. The Speed drove fine on the way back, no problems. But we rubbed really hard on whatever we hit. So in the rear, we rubbed on the diff a hair. There's a tiny little mark. But up front, look at this. So I don't know if you can see right there. We rubbed on the oil pan hard, like scraped the entire bottom side of it. And I kind of pushed some stuff off. And somehow we did not crack that oil pan, bottoming out that hard. So, whew, so lucky there. Yeah, I'm just gonna look around, double check everything, but it seems fine. We do have an exhaust leak now. It did hit the exhaust, because the exhaust is the lowest hanging part of the car. So we have a pretty big gap in the exhaust now. Although you can't hear it, which is kind of weird. But either way, gotta get that fixed now. Which means the only fix for that is to put the new exhaust on. And yeah, so Otherwise, we're good to go, and we did break 140,000 miles while we were out driving. Nothing like, you know what? That might have happened at 140. I'm not even kidding, because it was about 6 miles back after. We'll look at the videotape. We might have done that at 140,000 miles. That's like the best way to like, or like the worst way, I guess, to break 140,000 miles. But either way, that's me in this video. I'm just gonna go around this thing. Sounds good still, not worried about it. And yeah. Nice, nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, AustinBurner, link in bio on how to enter a giveaway. Peace out, have a good day. See ya.